This is a fun challenge for white to make a living shape. This problem involves a technique called under the stones. Kind of a weird way to describe the technique. So if you know it, take it as a hint. If you don't know it, let's look at it together. So many first moves are very easy to eliminate, right? If you play something like this, then clamping here is always a good move for black, right? Because you already have a stone here on the first line. It's a very strong shape for black on the outside. This is very strong, and these two stones in comparison are very short on liberties. So after number 2, white cannot come in at number 3. It'll be just captured instantly. So white will fail number 1 here. What about here? This will also not work because black can still just play this move. And now if white plays here, black can play this. If white plays this, black can play this. So this will be a fake eye, and white will only have one real eye left. So number 1 here is also eliminated quite easily. Playing this is not even a good idea, right? Black can just Atari, this will be a straight 3, white will be dead. So we've already eliminated these 3 points, right, as the first move. And we're getting to our correct move very fast. So this also doesn't work, right? Another straight 3. This also doesn't work because of this clamping move right here, right? Once again, white cannot come in at number 3. And that really leaves us with one move, right? And that's right here, right? You will want to try this. This doesn't make any sense at all, right? 1 point, usually a wrong move. So this is the only move left. If black Ataris from the outside, then this is great. A straight 4 shape, living shape, obviously. But what black can do is to come in this way. And this is tricky, right? If you connect here, and black will be able to occupy both 2 and 4. And this is no longer a straight 4 shape, right? This will be a straight 3 shape instead, a dead shape for white. And if white plays on the outside like this, then black will just capture these 3 white stones, and white will still be dead. So what should white do? White should play this, right? To preserve at least one real eye here for the time being. But the problem is that black can throw in here, right? It's a sharp move. If you connect here, we'll go back to one of the previous patterns. If you capture black, then black can throw in again, right? And this is the tricky part. Usually you would want to capture number 6 this way. And now black can come in this way, and this will be a fake eye. So white fails. So the so-called under the stones technique is to sacrifice these 4 stones instead by connecting here. Now, after the sacrifice, see what happens is that 6 and 8 are being exposed to this cut, right? Number 9 can capture 6 and 8, which will guarantee white's second real eye. So really magical if you haven't seen this before, right? Because at this point, you might be thinking that these 4 stones will be captured. It's hopeless. The 1 point will be the only eye left. But actually, after black captures, because of the shape, right? It's a square 4 shape, and white can actually cut here, right? So this is called under the stones. It's a useful technique for many of these problems. It's something that you should look out for and consider, right? Don't stop when your opponent captures a large number of your stones. Always think, can I go back and cut the captured shape and capture back some of your opponent's stones? Does it come up in games? Sometimes, right? Not as often as in problems, but it does come up in games as well, right? So it's a very neat, very interesting technique for us to learn. So I hope you enjoyed this pattern and enjoyed learning this technique. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.